everyone, it's your boy Petrosificationalism, and I'm back again with another banger. So welcome to my new podcast here at Keys Inc. You are talking to the new brand ambassador of Keys Inc. Yeah, today I got a very special guest for you guys, as the first episode. The most influential tattoo artist from Soweto, from making his first client on borrowed machine to building a growing lifestyle brand. Today we dive deep into his journey, his hustle, and how he's changing the life, the game of the tattoos in South Africa. Give it up for Keys Inc. So when I had man magazine ngokubona kwakho angeke ngisho nokuthi hayi wena wayenza size siyabona ukuthi wenza ama tattoo ngoba ama tattoo agcwele.
Yes sir.
Yeah, so man Tositshela ukuthi ubani ungabazi uzintroduce. Thank you.
Okay, sanibonani Dumelang. My name is Keys Kama Isaac Mashifane. I'm a tattoo artist, laser therapist, and piercing artist from a Protea Clan Extension 2.
Okay. Yeah. So please tell us about your early life. Where does this all come from?
Sure.
It's
a very long story.
From teenaging
Okay. I'd say the journey actually started while I was back in high school, around 2010. If binama DSTV emakhaya ngoba thina wesithanda DSTV kunalama show athanda ukudlala boma LA Ink, Black Ink yabo. So I'd watch some of those series yabona ukuthi better skip on. Got fascinated ngokuthi yazi you can actually turn or create an art on somebody's skin and it stays there for the longest time. So from there, I got a tattoo and I got my first tattoo. That was in grade 10. I went, but I love tattoos though. So yeah, that's where it actually started. From high school, from me loving to draw, I used to draw a Dragon Ball Z, a Pokemon and all that stuff in the farm. Yeah, so imagine if you draw Goku enyaweni lomuntu ahambe ngayo estradeni ngithola as a art form yangibona.
So like a passion lapho yasuka vele from
watching.
Okay, so please tell us about the first ink emzimbeni womuntu, the first hustle.
The first hustle was my uncle, which was for free. But yeah, that hustle turned into money after, because now I can't just pull up and sing a tattoo artist draw umuntu for inyogo bese nyamosha yabona. It's something that's going to stay on your skin for a very long time. So
practice
uncle lami if ndikakhona namhlanje hayi is a proof, is temple the proof.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, and then tell us the story about your very first tattoo emzimbeni wakho.
My very first tattoo emzimbeni
because of no
was a crown with wings. At that time in life we were going through 17. That's when I got my first, was 17 years. Yazi izinto ze-life zikenza ukuthi ube unbalanced, so bengilungizwa ku-TV, on these TV shows. This thing is therapeutic. If you get a tattoo, you'll feel much better. So actually,
I cover nam so for cut apart.
Sure.
Bengifuna vele understand because nami ngizwele vele ukuthi ama tattoo akhila kanjani.
Okay.
Uzilimaza because irritate
as far as ngabantu, there's people that love pain more than happiness. There's people that live off pain and feel pain as ukufila nje as therapy. So ngithola kunabanye aboma-Illuminati bayazikhatha yabona. So abantu abanjalo nabo
Okay.
izinto along those lines ngiyakuthola.
Okay, so yabona nang noma ngoku-introduce.
Yeah, sure.
You made your first client from a borrowed tattoo. So
Tattoo.
please tell me about the struggles of studying without proper equipment.
Okay.
Yeah, and or training nje, because one mistake is try.
Eish.
Iyahlala emzimbeni.
Etlek ne. Hey, from yazi from ukungacavi. Ngithola. So I started off ukungacavi ukuthi yenziwa kanjani lento. So I actually went to go buy my first tattoo kit with no information ukuthi how deep the needle goes in the skin or what sanitary health precautions I need to follow. So hey, ngingene blood with no skills, nothing, but ended up having to now learn throughout the years. Oh, okay. Kunezinto ezihambelana
nokukhawatha iskin. So khona mistakes owashayile
maningi yo.
Kept you going from wonke lawo ma setbacks phela. Uyangithola ukuthi umuntu angakhatheka omunye udumbile because of ngangithola.
Fele at that time it was something ukuthi ngifuna ukuphanda ngangithola. But it wasn't a passion, like it wasn't into engincanya. Fele bekuyinto engathi ngiphanda ngayo. Ended up pushing that into varsity when I went to study IT and stuff. And then started pushing from there. So the progress, improve. I'd say into keep it. Yeah, it's a good thing. Yeah.
So like, okay, how was the shop born? The shop was kanjani ukuthi iqale kune shop because of manje kune Keys Inc le madam story.
Sure.
So yaqale kanjani shop like yeah.
Hey, I'd say
if no ngiyawaba nayo. Dala enye shop, so like isitshele vele ngama shop ukuthi uqala kanjani uyangithola.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ama shop ngibhe now apha. I'd say I've run this tattoo business of mine in different locations. Ngingaspane Kagiso, ngingaspane Swaneville, ngingaspane Randfontein, ngingaspane Krugersdorp, ngingaspane Westernary.
Like
it was mobile first. It was mobile first.
Okay, mobile,
so I opened the shop once in Swaneville, Mkhukhwini nyana, esaseyincane nyana. Then I moved to a Western area. From a Western area, I opened a shop in 2016, right, in a complex, and then that was my first lifestyle shopping at Ngingati. Yeah, so we can push the culture there and so it be welcoming for everyone. Sure.
So and then how did you end up here? And is this like the only shop current or not? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
for now, I'd say this is the only shop that we have now. For now.
Okay.
We'll have more shops in future. That's our vision. Our mission, Vele Uti. Sivule more shops, we grow the culture, tattoo, Soweto. Let's try and uti. I want to spread the word. I'm a tattoo fit. It's not into yama gangster or these nowadays. It's something that's an art form. You can get the portrait if, for instance, ushonile as something that's memorial, something uzomkhumbula you understand? So yeah, man, we trying to put it out there. Grow it even cool man yabona bangaspeak bathi yasama Illuminati ngoba sinama tattoo ebusweni eyidona kade uphume eje
like yeah usakhuluma kanjalo nami ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubu dangerous ukuba ama tattoo because of kunabanye abantu abasaba ukwenza ama tattoo ngoba bathembiswa ama heavy kunama meaning bathi mele bazikhulumele wena like ingqondo yakho ngathi ayide ngithini.
Yeah, I do believe ukuthi tattoos must have meanings, right? Asenzi tattoo nje please ngiyacwayisa nemakhaya ngayenzi nama tattoo nje. Let's try and bring meaning into the tattoo you do. If ihambelana ne personality yakho, maybe if it's animal totem ye family yakho uyangithola, if it's a name of maybe a past parent, sibling,
and you feel ukuthi azini
but edanyana something that says you on it.
Okay.
Bahambe uyokopinga into omunye umuntu uthatha ibeke esikhumbeni sakho bezothi hayi ngoba bengithanda uyabona, then that's where the mistake comes. bese uzohlangana nomuntu ukuthi hayi wena lento le nami nginayo uyithathaphi yabona uyazi ukuthi iminani lento lena
and
wena wazi yabona you didn't even do thorough research about ukuthi iminani or iphumaphi in origin
sure. So like please before so ngifuna uzongitshela ukuthi the meaning behind the brand name yabo Keys Inc.
Igama laka Keys bafethu phuma endlini umalahla ski yabona I used to be umntwana ostoti, so they used to give me the keys all the time ngithola ukuthi intwana bamba isikhiye siyahamba mawuleli uyakuphi siyabuya manje ngithatha isikhiye ngiyodlala fika shama backpack shaya i-wrestling lapha yana isikhathi sokuthi sishaye isikhiye asekho kumele sivule endlini.
So kama Keys walithola from Dala vele
Keys kuphuma very far though. So I've had this name, but before I had other names, but the one that stuck was Keys. So but now I tata with time man ate when mawuleli bayathanda ukungilahla ate wena malahla ski wabona kara malahla ski kara ayigorgi ski givele give ski, but with a deeper meaning ku Keys Inc. Bekuyidayini ukuthi you know, as an artist, not abantu ababhaya bayibona as like the tattooing as into egrot into ongayiphesuwa uyangithola. So Keys to me was like, as people would say, that education is the keys to success. My parents believed that with education, but I mean ngithathe ngayithi ngathi no man, umalahla skiye is the keys to success. I am the keys to my own success. So that's where Keys vele ngawuthatha ngatani man hayi ngayenza mina writing ngasipushela, and I could be big off of it.
Okay, so like the cultural significance of a tattoo in black communities, meaning the importance of a tattoo like us. Like us, yeah. So what's the importance really? A tattoo like us. You see now in the shop like us.
Yeah. The importance of tattoo, like I feel ngomuntu. It's not important for me, but for other people, because it makes them feel in a certain way. Kwabanye abantu ibabenza ukuthi babe ne-confidence. Yeah, so I feel a tattoo contributes more emuntwini than I'd say with me. But I do the tattoos. I just contribute that percentage to whatever idea or whatever they want for their skin.
So and then how would you like define tattoo as a form of art?
How would I define it?
Yeah. Or how would you say explain tattoo in a form of art?
Tattoo is a body art that we use ink on skin to create an image. From olden days, abantu from Dala, like this tattoo thing, we are from our ancestors. It's just that now they've just modified it.
But umshini
is bongekho. There was a certain way of creating ink, and abanye like ufaka skin inside. They used to use thorn needles. They'd use ash namanzi. There's other tribes that use water, and there's this plant that they always used. I forgot the name of the plant, but yeah. So from there, so no, say modernized. Yeah, it's no system machine. Easy to say easy. Now we can actually create the art in a proper way with the azin. No, me won't eskume somuntu tia mane umtala wakho lo jaya straight.
Okay, so like uyakaba ngithi like most of ama tattoos nanani bawadefine ukuthi awabelungu nanana. So like mina ngifuna ukunderstanda ngawe ukuthi have you faced any racism, classism or stigma in the tattoo industry?
Nah, not really. Yeah, I've been welcomed by every race, white, black, Indian, colored. I've had some of my client vele.
Ababelungu.
Yeah, ababelungu. So I've never had any of those.
Personal moments that tested you.
Personal.
Yo,
Ukuthi yabona la.
mara bebangitutsi. Yazi uyangilinga.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yo, I had a big client. So this was a back piece, something I've never done before.
Back
Right?
piece.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this back piece was Baphomet. That was my very first back piece.
Baphomet.
Baphomet, yes, the goat.
goat.
Satanism, guys. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi into Satan, you know, there's a deeper meaning behind it, but yeah. Baphomet. It was worth, yeah, I'd say manje, but yeah. Ama-figures abonakala athusayo. Ngithola so with such a budget, kumele uthuke na ukuthi manje lo muntu lona kumele athole into that's worth that.
And uyikhiphile yonke.
Ngikhiphile.
Ngithi yena uyikhiphile
Uyikhiphile kuyo yonke ngathuka ngathi yasimali engaka. Ethathiwe ngaze ngayenzela ifini yami kodwa nayi ngithola kodwa I'd say I handled it pretty good. I executed. It healed proper. Ngithola yeah, ujabulele umnikazi la khona if ubhekile na ujabulele ngiyazi.
Yeah, mara since kuyi ajabulile na ujabulile ungasho bekuyibo malini sithi kuqaba yabona sazi ukuthi niva ukuphi 10 block.
Yeah.
Oh, 10,000. Fuck.
Yeah.
Okay. So the dreams of Keys Inc. across Africa.
Our dream is to become bigger than what we are. I'm told I started ungana any information, any ukuthi umuntu angifundise. I'm told I had to learn everything on my own. So
bengamuntu maybe ungathi umacala wakho maybe uhlukana endleleni.
No, not at all.
Okay, tasuka from one man.
Yeah, dog. I've been pushing this thing one man, dog.
Okay.
I'm told.
Yeah.
But
so
yeah.
My dreams.
We're looking to grow it internationally, nationally, if that's the case. I'm told. Let's teach abantu abafuna ukuba part of the movement, the culture, art. I'm told. Singavaleli nabantu ngama passion or ngento uyithanda. I'm told. But we setting to grow the business on a bigger scale. Let's educate people about tattoos. I'm told. Let's have more artists. And most especially black tattoo artists, professional black tattoo artists, about to have responsible and yeah, man, let's grow the culture.
Yeah.
But yeah, most of all, we're about growing the culture.
Okay, so mina sing mangabuza nawe like from wena your dreams nge-Keys Inc. specifically.
My dreams.
Or do you feel comfortable washo khona yini? Okay.
Just but yeah, man.
Hey, guys.
I'd say, mina as a Keys, I want for Keys Inc. Yo, on an international level, dog. Like I see a whole lot of, I follow a whole lot of tattoo artists, that I look up to, and they are doing great work on the art form here too, and I see myself on the same level as them or beyond that. Because kunezinye izinto fele bayashaya mara abashayi.
Kunezinye izinto ukuthi hey
ngiyangithola. But yeah, man. Hey, kube ibrand yomhlaba wonke. Ngiyangithola.
Keys.
Sure.
So ikipa zatholakala zona.
Ikipa zatholakele
special.
No, it's tholakele.
Plus special.
Yeah, it's tholakele fele. Ikipa. If you're a customer of ours here and you support as a complimentary something, we'll hook you up with a t-shirt, maybe leave home. You're not gonna sell, but just come support Keys Inc. and come grab yourself a t-shirt or bucket hat, and that's our way going to miss it. But yeah.
So like yabona njengami ne ngike ngashaya ithathu
Okay.
ngishaye ngokuphapha kwami so ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi no umuntu uyakwazi ukufika like niyakwazi ukumsusa ithathu is there a way yokususa ithathu
Yeah, sure.
mangabe ikhona ithathu ukuthi nawe akho satisfied ngayo
Yeah, I susa like hi.
or like ayasusa ithathu
Susa like hi. So
okay.
yeah, man. So, we do remove tattoos as well. I'm also a specialist at removing tattoos. Qualified laser therapist. So yeah, if you have a boss tattoo or a kamalaga baby, and the other important thing, guys, Ikizing Buffett, which we are trying to push it corporate. Like a whole lot of people, like government, is not allowing Uti Abu abantu bangene esipanini ngama-tattoo and all that stuff because they feel otherwise about them. So we want to change that as well. So nakhona we here to also help laba abanamastuka. If you can't find a job, ngithola ngoba unestukanyana esikhadeni abasifuni, ngithola metro military yethu abayifuni. So we can help you remove that so you can get that job because it's not unemployment rate yethu iyabheda.
Mara noma uyisusa isuka iskin sami sibuyele sibe kanje sibanjani iskin like
so okay, to explain the process what I normally do is remove ink, which is the pigment. So ispansami ukhipha pigment ye tattoo yakho. So if you have black there, I'm removing all that black, but the scratching that the needle creates when being put in the ink being put in the skin, I do not handle that. We have another department for that, which we can refer you to. Mofunu kipa eska. So after doing a tattoo or removing a tattoo, uba neska.
And then can uzongithumela
uzokuthumela komunye professional udila ngescarification bakhipha le scar lezo.
So kubuza sengibuzela mina for ukwazi kwami like ikelezele kayini ne
yeah ngathi ngikelezele
ama
certificate yonke into set
for yonke into.
Yeah, we have a blood-borne pathogen certificate, we have a health certificate. Also, in the department, sorry, ELAs and other stuff, everything is certified.
So yasibona iskin somuntu ukuthi okay no ithathu maseyenza kanti isuke
react sure I like ngudokotela wazi.
Like Dr. Keys.
Sure.
Okay, so like I'll tell again like khona umuntu okaba okay, what's your craziest tattoo request?
Craziest tattoo request was doing a tattoo covering stretch marks in the thighs. So hey, that part is a very very difficult place to work around. Stretch marks, so yeah, I'd say, and the tattoo at the rose. Yeah, it was a rose. So she was covering scars rose in the inner thighs.
Did you manage to do it?
I had to, you know. I had to. There wasn't anyway. Customer figure funa netaifuna. So like how we keep it as professional as possible. I want like
keep it okay.
Yeah, hey, guys, abanye badaye. Shela guys. I know there's a
okay, mina ngicela ukubuza ke before uzongena kusashela. Mina ngifukwazi. Manje ke bakhona uyahlangabezana nalama customer lawo ukuthi hayi khona indlela maybe bangabe bafuna ukubhadala ngayo okubafuna indlela ethathu ngayo.
Okay, ever since I've been professional, no. But when we were coming up, I'd say like situation no, guys, ish. Yeah.
Go safe. You.
Was keep among my file. What do I? You keep it safe. Otherwise, yeah, man, sizama ukuyikhipha ngendlela straight, guys. Yabona? Athi abangimanje uzohlangana noSibanibani nathi hayi. Loyana uMachachu Keys yamazi noma ungamupha leyana.
Also ayikho angeke sihlangane nomuntu estradeni okashitela la yini.
If uzozala eshowini azoyi. Yabona akhulume lana.
Akhulume la ukhona.
Estradeni azoyikhuluma. Yeah, next.
Akwanti sokwenza ngithiwa professional uyazi uyazi indlela ezokwenza yakuthola. Okay. So any tattoo or regretayo?
Yeah, I have a that I've done or that I have on me.
Okay, that you've done and that you have on you.
That I have on me, I have a whole lot of regrets, but those regrets, but those regrets were platforms for other artists to grow, I'd say. So, zine meaning. Yeah, I'm told. So, ama-tattoo ayenzela kimi mostly bekuyamajita engihlangane nabo kule journey yami yama-tattoo yabona angifundise something ukubonise something ngithola we thola up into so yabona le connection leyo kodwa hayi ukuba nayo hayi.
And then who's the dream person like ongathi ufuna tattoo?
Dream person
once ngamshaya tattoo ngizomake sure ukuthi le meli capture ngazo zonke.
Wawuphi sisibala wawuphi like asiyo international.
Okay, masiye like us na international yabo so azi
like us.
Okay, so far when number 1 ongathi ko wonke umuntu ukuthi usekasi usemhlabeni umuntu. So umuntu
hey let's say Kat Von D.
Kat.
Yeah, so she's a tattoo shop owner LA Ink. Yo guys. Yeah. Angahlala smart. Though she only has tattoos in certain areas, for certain reasons. But the space less ungishele. Kat Von D, if you watching now, leave me some space. I'm coming.
Coming soon to be international.
Thank you.
Yeah, trust the process. Okay, so what do you think about face tattoos?
They dope, guys. I have.
Overnight.
Yeah. Yeah, nazi yasibona. Yeah, guys. Not for the faint-hearted. Hayi for abantu abasaba ukuthi umuntu uzothina estradeni. Thina
wacabangani okay kuze ushaya ukuqala eyiphi yokuqala la and bocabangeni?
My first tattoo so I wrote humble on it.
Humble.
Yeah, so in my journey of life and meeting a whole lot of people told me what humble myself. I should humble myself. Anton noma ngaba big kangakanani or ngaba dope kangakanani, always have a willingness to want to learn. From umuntu work or from umuntu dope, there's something for you. So when you reach these people, humble yourself so you can get whatever you need to get from those people. But yeah, man.
Stay humble.
Yeah, iba umuntu abantu.
Yeah, umuntu ngabantu.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So ngizogaya ngifuna uzongibuza any question nami ngizokubuza. Personal question, bonus question nje.
Okay.
Ngiyaqala.
Awungaqala.
Okay. How much did you make on your best month from tattoos only?
Khuluma iqiniso.
Ukushiya.
Yo.
Nje on a good
month. On a good month.
Yeah. Ungathi sidlala lapho kubo
kuma 40 something. Thola 40 something kuyaphezulu.
Yo. Okay, 40 something hayi. Na kids. Ubuphusha the culture. Siyabonga ukuthi usivumelile ukuthi singenelana ne sesifikeni ekugcineni ne. Ingangihlala mara ithathu like
ngakuhlala nje uyoshoda ngizame enhle kumele sikuthathe.
Something coming. Okay. So What advice would you give to the young entrepreneurs and creatives out there?
Okay, I'd say, Uguti, hey, don't stop, guys. When you start something and push it. Don't start something today and think tomorrow it's going to be big. Isintasebenzi kanjalo. I'm told, keep on going, keep on going. I kept on going, still going even now, even when it gets hard sometimes. It's not easy sometimes running a business, or trying to put a business together, or I'm told. So there's challenges to these things. So yeah, man, believe in whatever you do. Put 110 every time. Let abantu see i-potential yakho, yabona ama-efforts wakho nawo azokhuluma ebantwini ukuthi mfethu lo muntu lona ngithola uyaphusha. That's how now as a person ukhula ngakhona. As a business you also grow, yabona. But I believe mostly in growth. So yeah, man, water that plant. That's why I like keeping plants in my shop. Every time you water them, once they die, that means you're letting go. So you mustn't let go of the plants. Guys. You must water them all the time.
Also, yabona usathi 100%. Ngivela ngicabanga 100. Nami ngeke ngathola from impintsha yami ngangigaya advice ukuthi nanoma, like, let's say yabona nami exciting lami in the media space and everything. Not everything there.
Yeah.
But shoot my video 100 wa post, tell me after.
Yeah.
Ukuthi kwenzakalani. If ukuthi okay yabona. Ngeke give up so post my video 5 or in post 100 ubuye uzongitshela ngale 100 ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Ama expect ayenza like 1000 lento.
Ngeke give up. Okay, so Keys, where do they follow you? And how do they book appointments? Okay, first, is it appointments only or
okay, like sithanda ama-appointments. So with appointments, I feel each and every client can have their own time. So unlike having e-walk-in, we have a whole lot of traffic, and as abanye abantu asikho patient. So thola omunye umuntu ewenza ithathu ye5 hours when uzoyenza ye2 minutes and uhleli ngaphandle umelele umuntu ukuthi aqede. So space uyenze i-appointment, we know we can give you that 2 minutes of our time at a certain day. But yeah, for our bookings way too, they can hit us up on our number, which is 071 099 5517. I repeat, 071 099 5517, or they can follow us on Instagram. It's Keezink_SA, and then on TikTok it's Keezink_SA, and then on Facebook it's Keezink Tattoos, and we are your specialists in tattoos, piercings, and tattoo removals, man.
And do you do house calls?
Yes, we do house calls, but yeah, in a process now. Yeah, so you can hit us up for house calls. We can give you all the information on the information we just dropped you.
Okay, guys, as you know, guys, I'm the new official brand ambassador of Keys Inc. You see, so guys, there will be a Youth Month special coming up, and when you use the promo code PetroSA, you'll get 50% off every tattoo. Yabona nami sazohlala la. So guys, pull up, zwakalani, ozani so shama tattoo vele. Use the promo code PetroSA, ne? Don't forget, for 50% discount. Thank you, Keys, for usivumela.
Thank you for having me, sir.
Yeah, to go Keys Inc. Thank you for letting me in the team, the new member of the team. Guys, this is the end of the video. If you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's the boy Petrosificationalism. Comment below what you think. There's more podcasts coming to come. Yeah. See you in the next podcast, next episode. Signing out.